Why? I eat it? Yes?
No.
Why?
Where's the spoon? Did you get any spoons?
Spoon.
You can eat it like that.
Oh! Oh. Is that what Fargo was saying? That's what, yeah, that's what I thought. We only owed like half a payment. I'll call, when I get home, I'll call Tiana and ask him, or
Here.
her or Chris.
This isn't gonna work. Where's the ice cream?
It's over here. She pulled that cone right off.
Okay.
You're just chewing away at it.
I sent you a couple pictures. Did you get them?
Yellow. Yellow.
Okay.
You're drunk.
Stop throwing your little fit.
She wants
It
to
is.
Mhm.
Good.
It's mine. Hey.
There you go. Now you can eat the ice
Okay.
cream. You got yours, see?
Mhm.
Got her finger.
Made it.
Okay. Okay. I will. I will. Okay. All right. Bye.
You can eat it that way, Nathan, or you can eat. You want to try to eat it as an ice cream cone?
You
It's gonna leak. It's gonna leak out the bottom because you bit a hole in the
You
bottom.
bit a hole in the bottom. Here, eat it like a.
Mommy.
Just
Abby.
use your spoon. The ice cream.
I think this is way better than cake. Yummy dip.
Chewing up that cone. He's got more of the cone eating than any of the other kids.
I got it. Icing. Done.
Got a good one.
That good? So you say thank you, Aunt Ashley.
Thank you, Ashley.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ashley. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Mom.
Mom. That's good ice cream, huh? You got the nose off. Did you get the nose?
Nathan.
Cherry.
Nathan.
You got,
Cherry nose.
well, cherry in, cherry out. You got
That's
the
cherry
stem.
nose. That's the
I
cherry
think the stem
nose.
was on the cherry or something. I think that's what.
I got the nose and eyes.
Yummy. Emily.
Mm.
You gonna eat your ice cream?
Okay.
Trying to figure out what you. It's just.
Hold on. I'm glad I got 2 extra.
Red eye on that one.
I know, I've got a red eye on mine too.
So you can get
I got them
Grace
already.
in. I can't
I
get
already
Grace.
got them.
Papa, there's a hole in here.
Yeah,
There
you got a
is.
hole off of.
There's no hole in mine. It's good.
Well, I'm glad you like it.
Like it.
Is it yummy?
Down here. Look, it's
Let me
big.
see. Are you done again? Let me see. Nathan?
You gonna eat your cone?
Look at the
You
blue.
eating your cone?
Nathan, you done again? How'd you go? Did you say you were done?
Nope.
I got him
So why is
stretching.
that blue? Why did that one blur?
Because he probably wiggled his whole camera because everything's blurry.
A thinner.
Ice cream everywhere.
There's a reason why I brought them a change of clothes. Well, Abby a change of clothes.
Abby's getting on
Yeah,
the third
she's got orange nose. She's looking like that.
No.
Abby.
Too. I got my eyes and nose. I got my eyes and nose.
You do, Grace?
Yep.
Cool.
Ray.
It's got eyes. It's watching me.
What to eat first? Wow, you guys are doing good, and there's a cookie at the bottom even, huh? Oops.
This is a cookie right here.
Dip it into the ice cream.
I got a cookie in mine. I'm gonna
You're doing a good job, Grace.
Tiny berry.
Yeah, Emily's doing a good job too. You're doing a good job. You're holding on to your cone and you're kind of whooshing everything down. Turn it around. Like this. You want the ice cream? Here. You can get the ice cream there. There you go. You got it.